my decision was quite right. 15 seconds left, and you will see that I'll take my first profit of this video trading session with this exact currency pair with a 0, and we've managed to make profit. Supertrend tells us that yes, this is still a downward trend. Hey guys, today I will show you how Supertrend can become really useful indicator and your support in choosing the right entry moment instead of being just two lines colored in red and green. And my name is Maya Candle. I'm really happy to see all of you here today. And if you want to become a professional trader, or maybe you are a professional trader, then my Telegram channel is specially for you. A lot of useful information is waiting there, and of course everyday trading sessions in live format waiting for you there. Let's start. And traditionally, I will start the explanation how to trade with Supertrend on short expiration time. For example, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on, less than 5 minutes. And let me set my Supertrend. Here is Supertrend. And on these types of time frames and expiration time, the market is really fast. All the moves are so rapid, and you can see a lot of noise of the market. So this means that you should just change the settings of Supertrend. I recommend you to set ATR from 5 to 7. You can choose the number you like most, and of course you can make just some experiments and choose one number for you. I will choose 5, and here is the perfect number from 1.5 and 3, something between these numbers. Oh, excuse me, 1.5 and 2. 3 we have like a basic setting. So let's choose 1.5. Okay, perfect. So we see that our indicator has changed a little bit. So let's find situations I recommend you to enter. Well, and let me make a little spoiler. There are 2 situations you can enter really fast and have clear profit. So I need some time to find these situations. Well guys, this is the first situation. You see that I've entered like 10 seconds ago, and this is a retest. We see that we had just a breakout of our sell line a few candles ago, and now it has changed to another direction, to buy option, and this is the perfect time you could enter long because the price just stopped at the level of our buy line, and now it has a reversal of the market. And well, my decision was quite right. 15 seconds left, and you will see that I'll take my first profit of this video. But the main goal of this video, of course, is to show you how you can use Supertrend to be more confident in your trades. Wow, so guys, $60 just from nothing, just because I was quite attentive. Okay, this is the first case you can do if you want to use Supertrend as your main indicator, the first option. So let me find the next situation, the next setup you can enter to have more profit. So guys, now the example. Well, I guess that this is a perfect time to enter a long position because we see that we had the renew of local highs, and I will just adding more positions when I will see that the price is coming down, and I will just click when I see that it lowers. Well, I want to see that the price is coming near to my to this green line. Okay, I think it's a little bit early. And maybe here, a few positions. Yes, maybe first to trade won't be profitable because I think that the price needs some time to become a little bit powerful, more powerful. Now, 2 first trades closed in 0, unfortunately, but just don't panic. We see that the price is coming up, coming higher. So you see that I've entered just in a perfect moment, in the right moment, when the price was close to our green line, to our Supertrend line. And 10 seconds left until our next trades close. Okay, wonderful. And we've practically ended up this trading session, tiny trading session with this exact currency pair with a zero, and we've managed to make profit. Well, this is what scalping is. So when you trade with short expiration time, sometimes you need to click a little bit more times to make sure that you end up this trading session with plus. There is nothing strange, there is nothing frightening with losing some trades, with losing some money, because you're just trying to enter with the right moment, and if you don't enter it, then you just won't find this right moment. Yes, two trades from, I guess, around 15 were not profitable, but other 13 trades just closed this minus and gave me extra money profit. Okay, so guys, this is the second example I wanted to show you, and I entered us at wonderful point when the price was a little bit below our super trend line, and I'm speaking about breakout of super trend line. When the price breaking out super trend from below to above, then it's a perfect time to go long, just like I did. And when the price is breaking our super trend line, green line, buy line from above to below, then it's a sign you should go short. Okay, let's wait till the end of this 20 seconds trade. Well, you see that the price just fluctuates pretty the same level where I entered position. Yes, it's a little bit nervous when you don't see an impulse after you entered a trade, but still we have a clear setup, we have a clear just win of this trade, and this is just wonderful example of how you can use Supertrend by yourself. And these two examples are really easy to repeat because you have your eyes, you have your buy or sell signals, and you can do it by yourself. And in addition to this, if you take a look at the chart more globally, and if you just use your knowledge in technical analysis, and if you don't know what technical analysis is and how you can use this tool in your everyday trading, then my Telegram channel is what you need. A lot of information about this exact topic because I like technical analysis. Well, so let me show you. Here is trend line, and I saw that here this candle was about to break out this trend line. We see that it's quite a strong level, resistant level, and the price was about to make a strong impulse and to make a breakout, but now I see that maybe it's a fake out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we know that the breakouts often happen when the price is touching our level for the fourth or for the fifth time. Well, maybe this is the situation where price needs some more time to just become enough strong to make some consolidations and then finally to show us the impulse. Well, maybe another time I would wait for this breakout because every trader likes breakouts. Well, but maybe not today. Well, guys, and if you want to trade with a little bit more expiration time, for example 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, then of course you should change the settings and you should filter out the noise. Well, and ATR is perfect from 10 to 14. I would set 14, and here multiplier I recommend you to set at least 2, but perfectly 3, like it was originally. Okay, first of all, let's switch to another time frame. For example, let's switch to 10 minutes. Well, and on the 10-minute time frame, Supertrend will show you only the direction of the market. Well, now let me give you some recommendations. Determine the direction by color, only by color. Green, only up. red only down. Don't enter positions just in the contrary of the main trend. On 10 minutes time frame, it can be really fatal. And and the next one is to wait until the pullback to the line. Well, and of course, the most safety moment when you can enter a trade on 10 minutes expiration time is to wait until a confirmation candle in the direction of the trend. Well, and the most important thing what you can do if you don't want to lose your money, if you don't want to lose your trades, because it really can be a little bit not embarrassing but awful when you enter 10 minutes expiration time trade and then this trade ends up with minus. Well, I recommend you to use moving averages. Let me first set these averages to show you the example. And this one really good works. These two images with these settings really works perfectly. Just it's a perfect setup for a beginner to use Supertrend and these two images to help yourself to detect the best trades to enter. This is a perfect moment you can enter short. Well, it's a pullback and I'm waiting for the price to go down. Well, you see that our Supertrend tells us that yes, this is still a downward trend. We see that both of our EMAs are going down, and what's more important, that our EMA 50 is above our EMA 20. It means that the downward trend is still strong and the price will go down. So we don't see our price just is in the middle of our EMAs. And this is quite tricky situation because of course we see that our trend line is a resistance level for our price, but this is ambiguous. The price can go up or down in this situation just because our EMAs are far away, both far away from our price level. So guys, we had our profit, and of course I entered only 1 in a minute expiration time, but guys, be sure that in 10 minutes the situation will be absolutely the same. This candle will be still red and still going down to this line. So guys, and now let's talk about mistakes, the worst mistakes you can make trading with Supertrend. So guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If only one thing of all this video was useful for you and helped you to move forward, then you should know that I'm really happy with that and I will continue making my content, my video for you. And of course, I will be really grateful if you subscribe to this channel and to my Telegram channel. The link is below this video in the description. A lot of useful content like guides and checklists are waiting there for you. And of course, I share their personal content connected with my lifestyle like a pro trader. So guys, see you there. Bye bye.